Welcome back, guys. Today we are learning something extremely important in JavaScript operators. These are symbols that help you perform calculations, compare values, and make decisions inside your code. We will cover three major operator types: arithmetic operators, comparison operators, and logical operators. I'll explain each line slowly so you fully understand it. So here I'm going to be creating a variable A, give it a number of 20, variable B, and give it a number of 6. So we're going to console the log our value, and this is addition. JavaScript will add 20 plus 6. Okay, so this is subtraction. It subtracts 6 from 20. We just change the operands here, operators and this is multiplication. We also change the operators here. Okay, and this is division. This is modulus, right? The modulo operator gives the remainder after division. Alright, and the double star is exponent, meaning 20 raised to the power of 6. So here, let's do some comparison in our console log. So we're just going to write a string that says comparison operator. Alright, here I'm checking if 20 is greater than 6. This returns true. Okay, let's check the next one. Is 20 lesser than 6? Alright, so that's what we're checking here. Let's check if 20 if 20 is greater than or equal to 6. Okay, that's what we're checking here. We'll see all our answers in our console after everything, and let's go to the next part. We'll check. So it's 6 lesser than or equal to 5. Is what we're checking. Is 6 less or equal to 5. So let's go to the next example. So now we're going to check if 10 is equal to 10. Alright, so this is it. So double equal compares values only. So the string 10 and number 10 are considered equal. Alright, so this is it, string 10 and number 10. And then we're gonna triple the equal sign. Alright, so the triple equal compares both values and data. So 10 as a string is not the same as 10 as a number. Alright, so this 10 is a string and this 10 is a number, so they are not the same thing. So we're going to be checking the not equal to, so 10 not equal to 10. Alright, so this is it. So let's write the number here. So 10 not equal to 10. Alright, so we're going to be going to the next part right now. Console the log as usual. We're going to check the 10 strictly not equal to 10. So you can see we have two equal sign here. So this just means that 10 is strictly not equal to 10. Alright, so we'll just write the numbers here. It's not strictly not equal to 10, and that's it. And we're going to be checking. We're going to be looking at logical operators here. So let's write the string logical operators. Now I'm creating two boolean variables for testing logical operators. Let x true, let y false. Alright, so console the log x and. So the AND operator only returns true when both sides are true. Alright, so check the next part. This true or false. So the or returns true if at least one side is true. Okay, so the next one not true. So the not operator flips the value. If it is true, it becomes false. Alright, so let's check our answer in the console. So here in the console, you can see all our results clearly. The arithmetic section shows all the calculation. The comparison section shows which statements are true and false, and the logical operator demonstrates how and, or, and not work in real situation. This gives you a strong foundation for writing conditions and logical operators in JavaScript. So this is everything here. So if this video was helpful, give us a like, subscribe, and give us your honest comment. Thank you and follow for more.